Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, today we will see MCQ of Constitution, means multiple choice question with answer of Constitution of India. So friends, watch our complete video, like it, share it, comment on it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So friends, we will see question with answer. Question number 1. Distribution of power between union and state government policy borrowed from which nation? Answer is Canada. Question number 2. The idea of single citizenship taken from which country? Answer is Britain. Question number 3. By which legislation India and Pakistan were divided into two independent nations? Answer is Indian Independence Act of 1947. Question number 4. Currently, there are how many fundamental rights are recognized by the Indian Constitutions? Answer is there are 6 fundamental rights. Which is fundamental rights? These are number 1, right to equality, number 2, right to freedom, number 3, right against exploitation, number 4, right to freedom of religion, number 5, cultural and educational rights, number 6, right to constitutional remedies. Question number 5. Indian constitutional rights were inspired by which historical documents? Answer is France Declaration of the Rights of Man and the United States Bill of Rights. Question number 6. Why 26 November is observed as Indian Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas? Answer is Constitution Day, which is also known as Samvidhan Divas, is celebrated on 26 November each year to commemorate the adoption of Indian Constitution. On this day in 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Constitution of India that came into effect on 26 January 1950. Government of India declared 26 November as Constitution Day on November 2015 on an occasion of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's birth anniversary. So friends, question number 7. Who is empowered by the Indian Constitution to appoint the Attorney General of India? Answer is President of India. Question number 8. Who is the only person holding the right of appointment of Chief Justice of India? Answer is President of India. Question number 9. By which procedure the President of India may be removed before the expiry of the term? Answer is impeachment. Question number 10. Who appoint the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer is President of India. Question number 11. Constituent Assembly is based on which structure? Answer is unicameral. Question number 12. Who is regarded as the chief architect of the Indian Constitution? Answer is Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Question number 13. When the Constitution of India came into effect on? Answer is 26 January 1950. Question number 14. 26 January was chosen as Republic Day to commemorate. Answer is the Purna Swaraj Declaration in 1930. Question number 15. Which day is observed as Republic Day every year? Answer is 26 January. Question number 16. How long earlier the World War II has ended before the Indian Constitution came into effect in 1950. Answer is World War II had ended 5 years earlier in 1945. Question number 17. Who was the chairman of Minorities Committee? Answer is Harinder Kumar Mukherjee. Question number 18. Who was elected the President of Constituent Assembly after Sachidananda Sinha? Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 19. What are the two major languages the original constitution written in? Answer is the original constitution written in Hindi and English. Two languages, Hindi and English. Question number 20. Which most important feature made Indian constitution unique to any constitution of the world? Answer is Indian constitution is the only longest written constitution in the world ever. Question number 21. When Hindi became the official language of India? Answer is the Indian constitution declared Hindi as the official language in 1950. Question number 22. When English became the official language of India across Hindi? Answer is according to Official Language Act 1963. English became official language of India in 1965 along with Hindi. Question number 23. What was the basic structure of the Indian Constitution during the time of commencement? Answer is during the time of commencement there were 395 articles, 22 parts and 8 schedules. Present structure is 448 articles, 12 schedules, 5 appendices and 100 amendments till 2015. Question number 24. Who is the constitutional head of the Indian Union? Answer is President of India. President of India is head of the constitutional post, head of the Indian Union. Question number 25. Constitutionally, who is the second powerful person in India? Answer is Vice President. Question number 26. One of the basic structure of Indian Constitution is? Answer is Judicial Review. Question number 27. What is the major basic feature of the Indian Constitution? Answer is Fundamental Rights. Question number 28. When the Sarkaria Commission was set up? Answer is Sarkaria Commission was set up 1983. Question number 29. How the Sarkaria Commission is related to Indian Constitution? Answer is Sarkaria Commission can supervise the required changes of the Constitution and the balance of power between state and central governments. Question number 30. In which Constitutional Amendment Act an authoritative text of the Constitution in Hindi was provided to the people of India by the President? Answer is 58 Constitutional Amendment Act 1987. So friends, these are MCQ of Constitution. Thank you.